Manuela, you want to help me? With your brother?
Help Doc.
Putting it in the garbage. Perfect.
Go help Doc.
Oh, you got it? Good job. Ah, so sweet. It's good, it's good.
Oh, she's got to sanitize her hands.
Let's go right here.
Come on, Leonardo. Good job. Emanuela, get ready. He's going to get adjusted.
You know what? Let's do it.
I'm coming. Oh, are you going to do
You gonna do
baby?
with the baby?
Oh, she's going to do.
Okay, ready?
You're going to do baby and then Doc's going to do Leonardo? Yes.
Good job.
Good job,
Hold the
Boopa.
baby for
All right,
now.
press on his chest. Make sure you adjust. Get a nice good squeeze. Nice good push.
Felix was 7 pounds 11
You're
ounces.
so confident. I love it. I love it.
7'1", and they were both about 20.
Well, I think I don't know if he got fed, but he got changed. He's been, if people are around, he's happy pretty much for the most part now. So, he loves that. He loves the bicycles. Yep, there's the face. There's the face. You love the hip turn too, Boopa. Good job, Emanuela. Are you doing the same thing? High fives. High five.
Yes. Okay. Let's kick your baby.
No, no.
You hold your
Emanuela,
baby?
We don't spit. Okay, here, take baby. Take baby from
Can you
Doc.
take baby?
Good job.
Good job.
All right. Hi, buddy. I know Daddy's here. Don't worry. Daddy's here.
Let's see Daddy.
Yes, Poopa. Yes.
Good job.
Good job, Poopa. Leonardo. Leonardo. Boop, 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 boop. Leonardo. Leonardo. Boop, 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 boop,
Good
boop,
job.
What's Doc doing? He's making sure you're okay. Yes, Poopa. There's a smile. Do 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 do. Ba ba da ba ba. Leonardo, Leonardo. Do 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 do. Yes, that's my boy. Good job, Emanuela. Are you doing the same as Doc? Good job. Good job. Bravo, bravo, Emanuela. Okay, but don't.
Don't hit your baby's head.
That would be
part
hard
of
for
it.
the baby.
It's part
Let's
of
be
it.
gentle with baby, right? Just like you would be gentle with Leonardo.
Good job, buddy.
Leonardo, you all done? How's he looking? I know last time you said he was really tight on that one side.
Yeah, he's doing a lot better. You gonna help me? That's so nice. Deep breath in. Hold your breath on it. So, like, when does everything bother you the most?
It bothers me the most in the morning.
Okay.
Everything is just tight and cold, and even walking, I feel it in the front of my foot. A great amount of pain.
Okay.
Depends on how I slept on which side.
Okay.
Ankle, and it's almost impossible not to limp unless I do extreme intentional muscle activation focus.
Good job.
Go ahead. So it's been really tight to move, really hard just to move.
Love that shoulder drop for me.
So I'm guessing
You got
because
more sanitizer? You shampooing Daddy's hair?
Ebupa sacabou, mi amor. Daddy
no
said
more,
all
no more
time.
sanitizer in his hair. It's all gonna fall out.
That's right.
Daddy's got nice hair.
It's already gray. We can't lose it now. Sacabou, mi amor, okay?
This way, okay?
Hey,
I
sweet
really
pea.
love the sanitizer.
Can you go see? Hey, sweetie pie, go see
Daddy's
Mr.
got-
Josue.
Daddy's got nice hair.
Go see Mr. Josue, okay? Or is Mr. Josue recording?
On the side this way.
You guys switching out personnel.
Okay.
Oh, that sanitizer feels weird in my head.
Oh, she was going like full bore in there with the amount of sanitizer. Come a little bit closer to me. Move this hand for me. There you go. Have a side for me. Alright. You weren't kidding. Stiff today, my man.
Yeah.
What happens when you have 2 kids and a newborn? Well, not really a newborn anymore, 4 months old.
And when you're taking pictures, you get in weird positions.
Yeah.
And then it's not like a workout though, where you're like, oh, I want to stretch after.
You gotta like hold and sustain and like get the right shot and all those other things.
And then I don't think to like actually go recover later.
Yeah. Well, sometimes those isolation holds are even harder, right?
Oh, absolutely.
That's a lot more strain on your body in certain positions and stuff like that. Have you got any plans for the holidays coming up?
Not for Christmas yet. I mean, we're probably gonna be here most likely.
Yeah.
But I don't know if we're gonna be with our family, if we're gonna do our own thing again. We actually hosted for the first time, we hosted our Thanksgiving at our house this year.
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah, we were kind of excited about it. Just because it just kind of felt like it was a marker of kind of moving on with our family, you know.
Yeah, that's great.
You know, not trying to be in a negative way. It's just you start to build your own traditions and
Oh yeah.
start to do your own things, and we're 2 kids in, so I mean it's kind of late for that, but
You want both of them to also grow up with the traditions that you guys set for them.
yeah, so it's just kind of nice.
Cool.
Kind of builds your family independence, so to speak.
Oh yeah, 100%. Relax. I had one. Deep breath in. I'm gonna get a pull through your head, so let that head drop for me.
How about you guys?
We just had family over. All of our family from Houston came over. It was 25 of us. We were drinking. Awesome. So it was good. It was good. Thursday, Friday, Saturday fair, which was good. Every night something going on. Every day something going on. So
Sure.
I love Thanksgiving with that shoulder drop.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get one more and then I'll bet that.
Oh, see, look at that. That even hurts the shoulder just doing that. They're gonna be drilling on me today, Josue.
Okay.
Oh, you came back to help?
Hey, Bubba, are you gonna
So
help?
sweet.
Are you gonna help Doc? Yeah.
Can you check Daddy's leg? Yeah. Push into me. Push, 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 and let it go. Good job. High five. This one. Yeah. Push up with the knee.
Hey, no spitting, sweetie, okay?
Well, that's good, man. That's exciting.
Yeah.
Do you notice that your knee bothers you more in those isolation positions?
When I'm doing those low squats, not on my heels, but on the balls of my feet.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. So do you tend to go down on that side more?
I try to. To be honest, I don't know. I try to go even, but to be straight, yeah, even with regular squats.
Push.
Oh, this way, yeah.
Yep. And let it go.
She's adjusting your
my
neck.
body just
Yeah, we got a baby chiropractor coming up.
Yeah,
Push up.
it naturally just goes to the right side, and I don't even know it.
Gotcha.
And the only reason I know is because I'll look in the mirror for a technique check, and I'll realize I'm favoring the right side, and my left is just chilling, and I'm like, oh, why?
Push into me. And let it go.
But here's what I know, is that when you force me to use that, like even with there, like it hurts, but it feels good. But it's that feeling of good, you know, when you use a muscle you haven't used in a while.
Yeah.
So that's how I know it's not getting activation. But I'm like, I'm not doing anything intentionally to not use it equally.
Yeah,
on each
equal
side.
lateral. Yeah.
So I'm like trying to understand why the heck he keeps doing that. I know. Yeah, exactly, Cuckoos. Yeah, where's baby? Are you adjusting baby? I don't know. So like my my routine every morning is pretty much crack and pop the neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and the ankles.
Gotcha. Try not to do your neck too much though. Like,
Or does that make it worse?
well, if you're doing it in the wrong line of drive all the time, yeah, man, it makes you feel like you want to do it more and more and more.
Oh, it definitely does.
Yeah, because then what you do is you over rotate or you kind of go like this when you need a couple motion with that.
Okay. So what's the best way to approach that? If I just feel like it's completely
Stretch.
Okay.
Stretch it.
Okay.
Would you bring the baby?
So to be honest, I'm doing all the stretches that I know, and
Okay.
I'm guessing even included the ones you told me when we were doing physical therapy for a while. It's just feeling like it's not getting deep enough.
So that may.
Oh, that's my hair. You should. When she goes on my shoulders, she just pulls it and pulls it. And I'm like,
May
oh.
need to. There you go.
Hey, sweetie, let's not waste their stuff, right? Where are the balls? Where are the balls? Can you go over there? Go check on Leonardo. Go check on Leonardo.